Introducing the 2024 Ford Ranger Wildtrak 3.0L TD Ecoblue V6. This powerful 240 horsepower beauty is the ultimate combination of strength and sophistication. With a sleek grey exterior and top-of-the-line features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and trailer assist, this truck is perfect for any adventure. Safety is a top priority with ABS, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing, you can trust that this vehicle is in top condition. Don't miss out. Call us at Dooley Motors Carlow or visit our showroom today to experience the Ford Ranger Wildtrak for yourself.